12 years ago, this China Airlines plane caught on fire and was captured on video.
우와!パイロットが降りようとしてる。大丈夫かな。
This guy was filming out his window when they flew by a crashed plane on the side of the runway. This fighter jet pilot doing a low pass over a city in Bolivia. This plane's wing struck another plane while taxiing.
Telefon çeker misin damla?
This firefighting plane doing a low flyby.
HH, golf.
This fuel truck crashed into a wing. This pilot managed to land on a pickup truck.
As well. All right, Camp Beach has the interstate cadet just above the airport. Sets it down. He rolls ahead. You think he's got it?
I think he does. What do you think, folks? Has he done it this time?
This guy did some stunts with his big RC plane. This is how a plane boneyard looks from above. This helicopter pilot flying in a forest fire.
I'm kind of back because your tail rotor's clear, was close.
All right, are we okay now?
All right, you're clear now.
All right.
That was close.
Yeah, it was.
And that's it for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed. All the sources will be linked in the description as usual. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and also follow me on social media for even more content. And I will see you guys in the next video.